Welcome to Prince Institute, Panipat. Today, editorial first article heading is Vigilance Paramount. Ready? Start. On June 20, a month after 1 lakh novel coronavirus cases were reported, India crossed a grim milestone of 4 lakh cases. If it took 13 days to double to 2 lakh cases, India added another 1 lakh cases in 10 days on June 12, from a test positivity rate of 4.6% in midday. It is 7.9 as on June 21, reflecting a wider spread in the community, particularly in the hotspots Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, and Ahmedabad. Mortality, which was initially low, has been steadily increasing. The first death was reported on March 13, and the figure crossed 1,000 only on April 28. But it has taken just 3 days for each additional 1,000 deaths after the toll touched 4,000 to reach 13,703 deaths as on June 21. The lower mortality figures are a reflection of the low median age, nearly 27 years, of the Indian population, the stage of the pandemic in India, health seeking behavior, and the health care system. While the low median age has helped keep mortality low, high prevalence of high risk factors, 7 among younger people, might put them at great risk if infected with the virus. The health care system in Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, and Ahmedabad, already strained, could witness more deaths if the virus separates unabated. With India now in the unlock phase, this is the time to be most vigilant. Kerala, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh have done exceptionally well in containment. Full stop. If Kerala was fully geared even before the first case was reported, the other two states utilized the early phase of the lockdown to track, test, and isolate those infected and trace contacts. Nothing else can explain why Bengaluru has bugged the trend while Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai have become pandemic epicenters. Maharashtra has adopted the correct approach of enhanced testing, unmindful of the large number of cases getting reported each day. Aggressive testing enabled Maharashtra to achieve the remarkable feat of containment in Dharvi. In stark contrast, till a few days ago, Delhi had used every trick in the textbook to keep cases and deaths low. That fewer cases are reported from Telangana, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar raises suspicion about their testing and counting. While many states have reported migrant workers testing positive on arrival, it is inconceivable that Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal, which have recorded the most Returners should not see a spike through fewer clinics and testing of people with influenza like illness in certain areas in Chennai that have high separate Tamil Nadu is making up for lost time, but true containment will remain difficult and will depend on door to door surveillance and large scale testing in these areas. Going by the cases reported, Gujarat seems to be the only place where the virus separates to a definite number of people every fortnight, even when tests are increased incrementally. The only way to contain numbers is by not hiding them. Full stop. अगर आपको किसी भी वर्ड में किसी भी आउटलाइन की प्रॉब्लम हो या कोई भी स्पेलिंग की प्रॉब्लम हो, आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं कमेंट बॉक्स में। थैंक यू वेरी मच। हैव अ गुड डे।